As you can see, it looks really good. Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Tony, and today we're going to be taking a look at the cheapest gas stove for backpacking and camping that I could find on Aliexpress. Now, when I bought this, it took about 2.5 weeks to get here. It cost me about $3.65 with shipping. Now, as soon as I made the order, they tried to ask me for like 75 cents for shipping cost, and I just didn't answer the email. And they sent it because they know they have to, because the way I bought it through Ali Protection. So supposedly it's 45 grams is what it states. It says it's made out of aluminum, stainless. So we will see. Turn on the old scale. Gonna do it with its stuff sack on grams. 50 grams with its stuff sack, which is nice. Actually, a pretty nice little velour stuff sack. I mean, it's not waterproof or nothing, but it's definitely like a fake velour padded stuff sack's pretty thick. 46 grams. Not bad. So, there's no real name. I'll put a link in the description. But if you put in 45 gram camping, outdoor portable folding mini camping stove, survival oven stove, 45 gram pocket picnic cooking gas stove, any of those things on either eBay or AliExpress, these will come up. Now, this does not have an igniter, and I didn't expect it to at this price point. But you can see that's pretty small. So here's the weird thing. Oh, it does have a name on it. Baligh. Let's get it closer here, see if we can. That's the name brand. Baligh. Anyways, when you're putting these pot holders up, you got to do all of them straight first. And then once they're all straight, you can do them the rest of the way. And as you can see, that's your stove. Now, originally I didn't know how stable this would be, but it actually has turned out to be pretty stable. And if you want to buy one of these now, I just looked at them. They are, I don't know if you can see that, $4.86 with free shipping. So they've raised the price up $1 since I bought mine. But that's still not bad. I mean, granted, you can buy better ones for just a few dollars more. But anyways, actually, let's make sure we got it turned off, which we do. Now, this will blow your mind. Coleman canister costs more than the stove. This costs more than this. So, put it on, tighten it up. Make sure it. So let's fire it up. See if it falls apart, melts, or anything else. It's got a nice entry area. There it is. Mother doesn't like it. Man, that goes up high. We'll shut that off. But it really actually has turned out to be a pretty good stove. It's got a pretty good pattern. We can't see it very well right now, so I'm going to come back out when it gets dark out so you guys can see the flame pattern. And we'll put a pot on it so you can see the wrap pattern too. But 46 grams, I got mine for $365. That's not too bad. Now we generally do run like Esbit or cook over a campfire, or I have a Fancy Feast alcohol stove. But this is going to be something for different kinds of trips we got coming up, different kinds of places. And I really think that everybody who backpacks or camps should have one of these styles of stoves. Man, that cools down fast. Wow. But yeah, I think everybody should have one of these style of stoves. I mean, there's lots of times that I think these are not necessary, especially carrying the weight of the canister. And there's other times that I absolutely think these are probably just the best on the market for what you're doing in certain trips. I'm a coffee addict, and I've done some trips on boats when we've been out fishing, and you pop this out to make you some coffee real quick, and these are nice because these are stable. So that's definitely an area where these excel over others. But yeah, I'll come back once it gets dark out. We'll put a pot on here, we'll show you the pattern, then we'll put the pot on and show you the wrap pattern underneath, give you an idea better about it. But for a super cheap stove, and it even has a really nice, some of these you turn it just a little bit and it starts up. This has got a nice easy lead in, and I like that a lot. And I mean, you can see the brass fittings. That's not coated because you can see the scratches on it. I mean, that's actually pretty nice. You can imagine what kind of pattern it throws. So come back out tonight, get you some more footage of it, and talk about it a little more as it's boiling some water for coffee later. There it went. Okay guys, so we're gonna try and see what it looks like. So it's got a heck of a plume on it. It holds really well. As you can see, it looks really good. That is more than enough. Pretty cool. That'll boil water quick. Definitely a great investment for less than $4. The can of gas under it costs more than the actual stove. So we'll see you in the next one.